welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I am blessed. Hope everyone is blessed and having a wonderful day. Okay, I'm coming to you today, and I'm going to be making a Ramen noodle salad. First, I will be reading my scripture for today. And my scripture for today is, "The Lord comfort his people and will have compassion on his afflicted ones." The Lord comforts his people and will have compassion on his afflicted ones. Isaiah 49:13. Thank you all, and I hope this will help someone today, tonight, or tomorrow, whenever they get a chance to come back, that this one scripture will help you in your own coming or whatever you have to do. So thank you all so much. So, okay, so I'm getting ready to make a chicken Ramen noodle salad. And I already have 3 packs of Ramen noodles already cooked and ready to go and cold. They have to be cold because it won't affect, the hot won't affect being the salad part. So in this salad, I would be putting in, I have 1/4 cup of salad dressing, which is, I say, a Miracle Whip. Then I have 1/4 cup of mayo. All right, I'm going to be putting it in now. Okay, I'm going to be adding all of my ingredients. This is the Miracle Whip. I have 1/4 cup of each one of them, which is 4 tablespoons. This was the mayo. This is the Miracle Whip and mayo. So both of them are 1/4 cups of each one of them. Okay, so I have them in here now, and I'm going to also into my this is a plain whipped cream cheese instead of using the other. I try to use this because, and stuff like this, when you're using it, it's kind of hard to get the other one softened up. So, which I will use it, but I happen to have the whip this time, and I'm going to use 1/4 cup of it also. And I'm going to put it in here so you can see me measure it out. I think it's 1/4 cup, okay. Now that is cream cheese, okay. And I have 1/4 cup of sweet radishes, all right? These are my sweet radishes. All right, I'm kind of pouring it out in at one time. And this is a very good salad to use. This time of the year coming up, it's getting spring, and you can do it very quickly, and I know the children will enjoy it. All right, I found out that I wasn't mixing this well without I had to put my gloves on, so it will mix up better with all of the dressings that I have in it. I want to make sure that this goes quite well, and I want to make sure that it's mixed up, because that's where the flavor comes in, is by the mixing of it. Okay. Now I'm going to pour in. Yeah. These are some of the, well, these may be my top ingredients that I'll be putting in also. This is the sweet peppers, what I'm using, and onions. Green onions, I've chopped them up also. Mix these in. This should be very delicious, you all. Now you don't have to use what I use. You can also use different seasonings if you prefer. But this is the way that I make it. And I used to make it quite a bit for children a long time ago when they were going to school. These are the chopped eggs that I'm putting in right now. Okay. Let me stir my chopped eggs around a little bit in here so I can kind of get them mixed up.
Yeah, if y'all need more, just add more ramen noodles. If you have making it for more people, just add more packages of ramen noodles. Ramen, however you pronounce it.
And you don't only have to use chicken. You use whatever kind of ramen noodles you'd like. Shrimp, anything. Just whatever you would like to have. Whatever your preference is that your family may enjoy. Okay. So now I'm going to add.
Okay, y'all, this is her chicken. She's using chicken strips. So you can use any kind of chicken that you want.
Or any kind of meat that you want.
Any kind of meat.
Okay. Now I have that. And I'm going to add my eggs around the edges. Okay. Anyway, don't have enough of these eggs. Could have done more. I guess that kind of fills it in, right? I need it. All right, so I'm going to put the onions around right now. Okay. All right, so this is my Roman noodle salad. Let me get something and wipe this off.
Yeah, it's so pretty. It came out so pretty.
Okay, this is my final presentation of my my chicken Roman noodle chicken salad. A very good dish for the summer and spring coming up, and especially for this time of spring break also. So I'm going to be fixing some plates here for my kids, and I'm going to show you how it's going to be going. Okay.
Here, taste it, and then let Granny know how it tastes. I'm not going to show their faces, y'all. They're just going to let you know.
Okay.
Y'all, this is so good. Please try this. And it's even good if you sprinkle some little lemon juice on the top.
Yeah, I was
some lime,
to put
a lime
on them or whatever.
So lime is so good.
Okay.
Okay, now taste it, y'all.
Now stand right there, just eat it. But she's not gonna show your face now.
Good.
You like it? Gotta say it loud enough so they can hear you.
That's good. It's good.
What you give from 1 to 10?
9 out of 100.
You give it 9.
Yeah.
What you finish eating? Okay.
I said 9 out of 100.
9 out of 9. She give it 9 out of 10. One give it 9 out of 10. What you give it her, Money?
I always say 10 out of 10.
You know, Money give it 10 out of 10.
I say that every year. 9 out of 100.
All right, y'all. It's so good. That's how it comes out on the plate. Y'all make this. It's so good. It's a nice, refreshing lunch or dinner, whatever. And also, like I said, we supposed to have put the lemon, squeeze a lime around it, but you can squeeze a lime around it too. All right. You want some more?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys. I know it's very good. Oh my God. It is delicious. So very good.
You want more
It is
too?
truly off the chain. Very, very good. I just didn't make enough.
All right, y'all. We're finna go.
Thank you. And I hope you will enjoy it when you make it. And I hope you all will enjoy this Ramen noodle chicken salad or whatever you want to make. I said it is very delicious, and I hope you all will try it. And I know your family will enjoy it. May God bless you all. Have a blessed, wonderful day. Today, or in the morning, or whenever you see the video. May God bless you all. Goodbye from Miss Lena's Kitchen. A very wonderful dish for the spring and summer. Bye-bye now.